Thank you for purchasing an indoor flag set from Carrot Top Industries. Your set will include a floor stand, 2 pole sections, ornamental top, indoor fringed flag, gold cord and tassel, and an adapter sleeve for your stand. Begin assembly by screwing the 2 sections of your flagpole together. Using the hemmed sleeve of your flag, slide it onto the top half of the flagpole until it is even with the small screw at the top. Attach the sleeve to your pole by hooking the small leather tab to the screw at the top. Slide your ornament onto the tapered top and fasten with the provided hardware. Fold your gold cord and tassel, slide it through the screw eye, and then pull to tighten. Place your flagpole into the floor stand. Use the adapter sleeve if needed. Your flag set is now complete and ready to use. Thank you for purchasing with Carrot Top Industries.